that it's sliding windows. Look at this. Wow, I like that. It is sliding windows. So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priscilla and this is Missilla. If you're here for the first time, thank you for stopping by my channel. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel and also click on the notification bell so that you're notified anytime that I upload a new video. I promise you'll enjoy every video that I upload. If you're here for the second, third, and 100th time, thank you for always watching my videos. Kindly consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. And watch this video till the end. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and also leave your comment because I'll be sure to read it and reply to your comment. So guys, finally we got the apartment that we are moving into. I finally decided on which apartment I am actually moving into, and this is the official empty house tour of my new one-bedroom apartment. So come with me guys. So guys, once you enter this house, that's the main door, yeah. Then next to it is the kitchen. That's my bag. So this is the kitchen area. It's a bit small. Down there there are some cabinets. Then the sink, I like that the surface here is big. Then there are some sockets there for kitchen things, for the cooker, and there are more sockets over there for the blender or microwave or anything. Then that's the sink. Down here there are sockets, yeah, that's nice. So there are two taps because there are different types of water, fresh water and some salty water, I think. Then up there are some kitchen cabinets, which I like. I don't like the color because it's brown, but it's good because it gives me space. It gives me more kitchen space. So that's how they are. That's how the kitchen space is. So that's the kitchen space, and there are some cabinets. So yeah, and this surface, then we head straight to the living room. It's big, so I think this will be the accent wall, this one. I'll place the TV and a wallpaper probably, and those are the other walls. It's really big, and that's the only window in the living room. What I like about this window is that it's sliding windows. Look at this. Wow, I like that. It is sliding windows. I really like that. I love sliding windows. I long to live in a house with sliding windows, and this is a dream come true for me. Then this is the door to the balcony. Yes, this house has a balcony. So yeah, that's the balcony. It's a bit tiny, but well, it's good. And that's my view. The greenery and the fresh air and all that. I really like that it has a balcony for just, you know, fresh air and all that, and it increases the lighting in the house. So yeah guys, so from the main door again, this is the main door. We have a corridor here. Then this is the bedroom door. Yeah. So this is how the bedroom looks like. There's that thing, they are still painting the house because I asked for it to be freshly painted white. So yeah, this is the bedroom. So it has an interesting shape. That's the shortest wall. Then there is this wall that leads to the door. Yeah, that's wall that leads to the door. Then there is this third wall, and that's the bedroom window. Again, sliding windows. So nice, I like this. It's a dream come true for me, yeah. And what's the view from my bedroom? That's the view. There's a house that is under construction over there, and more greenery and all that. So yeah, that's my bedroom window. Then this is the funniest corner. Look at that, it's a very thin corner. I'm thinking of placing here, probably I'll place here my shoe rack and place there laundry basket and some deck over here. I'll have a lot of space here because my bed will go on this side. Then here is the wardrobe. Another thing that I love about this house, I really love this part. I love the wardrobe. There is a mirror over here. I'm using some light on my phone because it's a bit dark, so that's why it's reflecting. There's a mirror over there, some space over there, and this is the storage space, yeah, and more space over here. Yeah, so that's the wardrobe. So nice. That's one thing that I love about this. That will be all for the bedroom. And the ceiling looks good. It's white. Yeah, show you the ceiling. That's the ceiling. I didn't show you the ceiling for the living room. This is the ceiling for the living room. I like that piece of deck over there. It looks good. Kitchen area and living room. I like that. So yeah, from the corridor, this is the bedroom. Then now we head to the washroom. It's a 1-bedroom apartment. So this is the washroom. It's really long. Again, it has an interesting shape at the end. Anyway, that's the window. It's a sliding window again. Here is some storage space made of glass. So guys, this is the French shower. Taking French shower. I like that about this. Then this is the toilet bowl. Toilet seat. There it's a bit still dirty. I need to do thorough cleaning down there. There is the drainage. Here is a tap for water, and this is the shower knob. That's the shower again. I need to change that. On this side there is a mirror, then there is a sink. Yeah, then that's the door. So that's basically the house too. So this brings us to the end of our empty apartment tour. So stay tuned because the next video will definitely be thorough cleaning video, then the moving vlog. So stay tuned guys, there's so much waiting